well, there's, yung nasabi ko sa kanila, there's a lesson in this loss. Good thing we lost now. You know, at least it kind of got us grounded. And sabi ko nga, at least you know what works and what doesn't. You know, that 9-game winning streak, ano ba yung ginawa natin doon? This loss that we had, ano ba yung ginawa natin? And then we're just gonna make sure that we're not gonna put our players in a situation to fail again. You know, that's our responsibility as their teachers. So that's gonna be good for us. That it's gonna be a long break. We could work on a lot of things, try to experiment again, as what we always do, and just try to get better. You know, this loss really grounded us and reminded everybody that if you're not gonna come out as a united front, this is the result that's gonna happen to you. You know, what worked for us was our skills, our talents, but a combination of our system. That's really the key for us. So we're just gonna work on that.